What is up, guys? So we talked about arithmetic progression, the meaning of it, the first formula that came into being, and then we talked about that famous Gauss story where he instantly gives the answer for what will be the sum if it starts from 1 to 100. Today we are going to talk about the other formulas as well. And before that, I would like to talk about there are two formulas left. One of them is formula for nth term. Another one is formula for sum of n terms. And that is a modified one, sum of n terms. So first we will talk about the formula for nth term. We all know it is a plus n minus 1 into d, and a is the first term, n is the proper number that we want to find out. It's like if the question is giving find out till 10th term, so the n would be 10th and d is the common difference. So how did this formula come into being? See, ancient mathematicians already knew this formula, but as like other formulas, even this formula came into being because of the modern mathematicians. They used algebra for it. You can check out the terms a plus n minus 1 into d. There are three variables, and this is the mind of new mathematicians basically. So if I give you a series, it's like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now find a pattern in this series and tell me the 10th term of this series. Now you all will be thinking differently. There would be different kind of thinking behind this. For example, had I given you the series like 3, 6, 9, 12, and then if I asked the 10th term, you would easily say it's 30. But here it becomes difficult. But at the same time, this sequence is following some rule. There is a pattern into it. And these kind of patterns were known to the ancient mathematicians. Whenever the common was difference, they found out that it is a pattern. It is called a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So the first term is similar, but as soon as we go ahead, the difference keeps increasing. How? Plus d, plus 2d, plus 3d. Basically, if I ask for the 10th term, so it would be a plus 9d. Whatever the term we want to find out, it is minus 1 from that. So a plus 9d. If we want to find out the second term, it will be a plus d. So on that basis, they now modern mathematicians came out with this formula because they read the pattern, and that's why they came up with this formula, which was a, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 into d, because they always knew if we wanted to find out the second term, then it would be a plus d. So it is n minus 1, it is minus 1, and the difference would be same. If it's for the fourth term, it would be a plus 3d. So that's how they recognized the pattern and they came up with this formula. This was the story of this formula. After this video, tomorrow we would be talking about the last modified formula for sum of n terms. Till then, enjoy this video. Peace out.